Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a super sultry and vampy type of look. And I feel kind of inspired by Laura Lee herself since she did one of those tutorials using her own palette. So if you want to learn how to kind of get that vampy sultry look, well then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we already have all our face done and everything. All we're missing is the eyes. And so I'm going to be using the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette. And you get this kind of like sealed glitter. It's not like the Kylie Jenner wet set where you can actually feel the texture of the glitter. And yes, like although it's pretty packaging and all, it gets annoying when the glitter is all over you. So I kind of like the idea how she just put it in like more of a sealed component rather than just the open glitter itself. So when you open the palette, you get 10 shades, and these are all warm tone colors. Okay, to start off, I'm going to be diving into this shade right here called Bomb Diggity, and I'm just going to place that all over my crease. So I'm applying this shade with my Morphe R37 brush. I really recommend this palette for you guys because the colors blend seamlessly. I'm not even kidding. They are very beautiful and they're so pigmented, and when you just blend them out, like it's not even a hard thing to do. The next brush I'm going in with is the M441 brush, and this is kind of like a similar brush, but it's more rounded than this one. This one kind of has like a feathery top to it, and I'm just gonna be dipping into Cray Cray. The next brush I'm gonna be using is the E36 brush. I am dipping it into Oddball, and that is the black shade, and I'm just tapping off all the excess so I won't get a lot of product onto the brush. It's easier to kind of just build up the black rather than just adding a lot and then trying to take it away. Okay, so I'm going back with the M441 brush and going back into Cray Cray and kind of just focusing it on my crease. And now I'm gonna go back with the E36 brush and along my crease to kind of give it more definition. So do you see, like when I added the black, it kind of brought a little more definition to the middle of the crease, and I'm just gonna be blending that out. The next shade I'm gonna be diving into is called In One Ear, and I'm just gonna be placing that right next to where I had placed the black. So I'm just going to be going back in with the E36 brush, dipping into Oddball again, which is a black shade. And I'm going to be diffusing any harsh lines that are between the shimmery shade and the black. I'm just going to be taking more of like the lid part of the brush and dipping into the white shade called Okie Dokie. I'm just going to pack it onto my lid. Oh, and you guys, what's even more amazing is that there's not really that much fallout. Like I had said, in the Nice palette from Kylie, there was a lot of fallout there. But here, like, it's really not that much. Like, look. Like, it takes a lot of taps to kind of get the fallout to build up. Now I'm going to be taking my M433 brush and just dipping into Cray Cray. And this is the tried and true blending brush, you guys. Like, this is such an amazing and affordable brush to have, and I really recommend it because it's amazing. This is a really great dupe for the MAC 217 brush. And do you see how they look super similar? Like, if you turn them to the side, like they look very similar. Now I'm gonna just be taking this pigment from Velocity, and I don't know, I think it's super old. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking some of this pigment and I'm going to be placing that on my lid without Fix Plus or anything. And this is a really pretty pigment, you guys. It kind of has like a gold reflex to it. Like it shows on, like it shows inside how like it's super white. But look, let me swatch it for you. Oh yeah, I have so many swatches. Look, do you see like the gold reflex? I don't know if you guys can see the reflex. I'm gonna be going back in one ear and just kind of like blending those two, like how I had blended the white before I added this shimmer. And now for the lower lash line, I'm kind of gonna follow the same sequence. So I'm gonna just be going in with Bomb Diggity on my lower lash line as my transition. And then I'm just gonna be going in with Cray Cray, and I'm making that a little bit closer to my waterline to kind of show the transition between shadows. I'm just gonna blend those two together with that brush that I had used. And then I'm just gonna be going in with Oddball and making this closest to my waterline. Okay, so now I'm gonna take the e.l.f. eyeliner and just do my wing. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished eye look, and well, I'm gonna put on some lashes and do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I did my other eye off camera and I put my lashes on, and I really like this look. And I kind of also added a little glitter line to enhance the glitter a little bit more. I just topped some gloss on my lips, and I used the Jovani Lip Gloss. It doesn't have a shade name or anything. It's just the Jovani Lip Gloss. And it's just a little pretty overlay on top of the lips. And this is the completed look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And I really hope that you guys got something out of it, because at the end of the day, this is what matters, that you guys learn something. So that's just my goal, is for you guys to learn something from me. And yeah, I really hope that you guys liked this video, and I want to thank you guys for your continuous and generous support. It just means a lot to me. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Ow! My eyebrow itches.